with balance transfers, what we find a lot of times is you get this offer for 0% for 12, 18, 24 months, whatever it is.
Sounds like a winner to me.
Right. But what payment are you given? What's the payment they bill you?
Well, it's monthly. I'm confused by the question.
It's monthly. So the payment amount is based on you paying that card off in about 15 to 20 years on average.
Yeah, it's not it's
right?
a minimum payment based on the balance, not enough to pay it off.
So most people find themselves in this constant cycle of transferring balances to new cards over and over and over and never actually paying their debt off.
The balance, right?
Growing the balance often too. And some cards, you have to be careful. The terms will say if you didn't pay off the balance during that introductory period, the interest all of a sudden is smacked on at the end. If you want to be effective at paying off your debt, typically you're going to want to transfer it into some sort of an amortized loan product.
Something with a fixed end date.
With a fixed end date with a schedule that says by X date, the whole balance is paid off.
Yeah.
Or set yourself up with auto pay for a certain amount that you've planned out is going to pay off that credit card debt by a year from now or 2 years from now, whatever that is.
What I've done to get myself out of debt in the past is I just put everything on an automatic payment, and then I just go after the smallest balance that I can, as hard as I can, and then I take that and I do it over and over.
Yeah, the snowball method.
Yeah, that's what it's called, snowball.
Yeah, there's lots of different ways you can pay off debt. It just depends on what your goal is. Is your goal to pay the least amount of interest, pay it off the quickest, help the credit score the fastest? Because you may approach the payment a different way depending on that goal.
Sounds genius.